class students. In the previous video, you have taken the terms and the definition under the new chapter seeds. Some important terms you have learned. While learning these terms, we have shown this flow chart. Yes, on the basis of number of cotyledons, seeds are divided into monocots and dicots. Below that I have put A and B, and the example maize and beans are underlined. In this video you are going to learn the structure of maize seed. Please keep in your mind, maize is a monocot. Okay, but before we go and draw the structure of maize seed in the next page, you note down the significance of seeds and fruits. Okay, you use the pause command and note down. I have ticked. First one is significance of seed. Here 2 points are there. A seed contains embryo that develops into a seedling. Normally you are going to nursery to buy the seedlings. Okay, that is what. And the second one is it contains the reserve food material. Reserve food material is nothing but endosperm. So the seed contains. The importance you will realize once you grow the seed to make it into sprout. Normally in the home, people are making sprout, a germinating seeds with green gram or chana gram, so that you will get protein rich salad, or you can directly eat the sprouts. What you need is seed, moisture it, keep it in the refrigerator, it will grow into sprout. When you come back, you will learn the structure of sprout. Otherwise also by experience, if you are recalling how the sprout looks from the seed, a tip is germinating and coming live. You may call it root. That root is in the primitive stage we are calling radicle. Okay, 2 points you will remember. Note down. Use pause command and take A and B. Then significance of fruit. Yes, no doubt the fruit protects the seed and it also helps in dispersal of seeds. It is nothing but simple points. It is highlighted for your better understanding why you are studying fruits and seeds in this chapter. Okay, next we will go to the next page. You learn today only the structure of maize seed. Maize seed comes under monocot. Once again I am focusing monocot, maize. Then for dicot you will study in the next video. Today you learn 4 points of diagram that shows the structure in the next page. Yes, this is the one. 4 points are there. I will focus the seed first. In your book also they gave 2 structure. First you draw this structure of maize grain. Internal structure you choose, because internal structure will give you full details. Today you are going to draw only this internal structure of maize seed, that is an example for monocot. Okay, I gave A and B. The B is bean seed, but today you will learn only maize seed. Structure of a maize seed or maize grain. That type of one-seeded fruit is also called caryopsis. It is given in your book. So, ideally, maize seed is an example for caryopsis, one-seeded fruit. Okay, now we focus on the structure of maize gram with the diagram and write down these alternative points. Okay, point number 1, the pericarp and seed coat are fused to form a protective cover or layer. Okay, the second point is the biggest portion in the endosperm. See, the outer layer is allurin layer. Below the one layer, protein layer, you will see the biggest portion of endosperm. Endosperm is nothing but starch. The starch can be later converted into glucose form of energy. Okay, so you write first one is pericarp and the seed coat together known protective layer, and the second part, the biggest portion is endosperm, that is a reserve food for the seed. The third one already we highlighted in the flow chart. The embryo contains plumule. Plumule is for root. Plumule is for shoot. Radicle is for root. Correct. Then the fourth point is the plumule is covered by a sheath called coleoptile and the radicle is covered by coleorhiza. In coleorhiza, COLEO, R is there. That R stands for radical. You take down these 4 points. Once again, draw the structure. Use pause command. Here left side 2 label and the right side pericarp is there, seed coat is there, then plumule, radical, coleoptile and coleorhiza. All this together labeled as embryo. Okay, this diagram, structure of grain and the 4 points. Use always pause command. Once again I am focusing so that you will learn. Okay, in the next video you will study the structure of bean seed that is meant for dicot. So for dicots or dicotyledons example also you are going to study. Thanks for watching. Stay connected and study well. Bye.